Our mission is to foster more collaboration in healthcare, documenting and preserving traditional medicine knowledge and supporting its safe and effective use.
It's just a totally different way of full body healing, mind and soul.
When these threads combine, we create a powerful woven story of lives and livelihoods, all in the pursuit of restoring balance.
Ki te taha nui, ki te taha roa, ko te paupau tā kiritua he ka
Miri miri and romi is our traditional bodywork and healing practice. Miri miri, when you break the word down, it literally means to stimulate or agitate, and we're talking about all the systems of the body, blood, bone and tissue.
What separates miri miri from massage is that miri miri is grounded in traditional Māori knowledge. It is grounded in the cultural insights that have been in our whenua and Aotearoa, mai rā noa, for generations.
We use kohatu, which is stones. We use rako, which is sticks. And what we're doing is we're applying pressure to what we call haimata, or pressure points on the body to stimulate the energetic systems.
Our government does offer fully funded, partially funded, but mostly accessibility to different modalities of rongoā Māori for all people.
ACC is a government agency that's the equivalent of health insurance. So I'm on the ACC Rongoā Māori Advisory Panel. I'm actually a trained nurse. We've had people come with serious injuries that they're lined up for surgery, and once they have treatment, then they no longer need the surgery. We have a lot of people that come to us in chronic pain.
We hold trauma, we hold pain at a deep cellular level, and so the body work that we do helps to release that.
We will perform a taku. It ignites something in their cellular memory, their pūmau maharatanga, and they remember who they are and where they come from.
I almost felt conscious in our creation story.
It just makes you rethink about what you can and you can't do, and what your pressures are and stresses in life. Is it worth sweating the small stuff? We actually give them permission to let go and say to them, you know what, it's okay, you don't have to carry this anymore. It's just a totally different way of full body healing, mind and soul.
Sharing what we know strengthens what we can achieve, creating a united path towards progress for people, for planet, and for restoring balance together.